What is stroke? A stroke occurs when the blood supply to the part of your brain is interrupted or reduced, depriving brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients. Within minutes, a brain cell begins to die. A stroke is a medical emergency condition. Prompt treatment is crucial. Early action can minimize brain damage and potential complications. The good news is that strokes can be treated and prevented, and many fewer Americans die of stroke now than in past. What are the symptoms? Watch for these signs and symptoms if you think you are in some else may be having stroke. Pay attention to when the sign and symptom begin. The length of time they have been present can affect your treatment option. Trouble with speaking and understanding. You may experience confusion. You may slur with your words or have difficulty in understanding speech. Paralysis or numbness of the face, arm, or leg. You may develop sudden numbness, weakness, or paralysis in your face, arm, leg. This often happens just on one side of your body. Try to raise both your arm overhead at the same time. If one arm begins to fall, you may be having a stroke. Also, one side of your mouth may drop when you try to smile. Trouble with seeing in one eye or both eyes. You may suddenly have blurred or blackened vision in one or both eyes. Headache. A sudden severe headache which may be accompanied by vomiting, dizziness, or altered consciousness may indicate you are having a stroke. Trouble with walking. You may stumble or experience sudden dizziness, loss of balance, or loss of coordination. When to see the doctor? Seek immediate medical attention if you notice any sign and symptom of stroke, even if they seem fluctuate or disappear. Number one, pace. Ask the person to smile. Does one side of the face droops? Arms. Ask the person to raise both arms. Does one arm drip downward or is arm unable to rise up? Speech. Ask the person to repeat a simple phrase. Is he or she speech slurred or strange? Time. If you observe any of these signs, call 911 immediately. What are the causes of stroke? A stroke may be caused by a blocked artery or the leaking or bursting of a blood vessel in the heart. Some people may experience only temporary disruption of blood flow to the brain. Ischemic stroke. About 80% of the stroke are ischemic stroke. Ischemic strokes occur when the arteries to your brain become narrowed or blocked, causing severely reduced blood flow. The most common ischemic stroke include thrombotic stroke, embolic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke occur when the blood vessel in your brain leaks or rupture. Brain hemorrhage can result from many conditions that affect your blood vessel. These include uncontrolled high blood pressure, overtreatment with anticoagulants, which is known as blood thinners, weak spot in your blood vessel wall. A less common causing of hemorrhage is a rupture of abdominal tangle of thin-walled blood vessel. Type of hemorrhage stroke include intracerebral hemorrhage, subarachnoid hemorrhage. What are the risk factors? Many factors can include your stroke risk. Some factors are also increasing your chances of having a heart attack. Potentially treatable stroke risk factors include lifestyle risk factors, being overweight, physical inactivity, heavy or binge drinking, use of illicit drugs. Medical risk factors include blood pressure reading higher than 120 by 80 millimeters of mmHg, cigarette smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke, high level of cholesterol, diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, cardiovascular disease. What are the complications? Paralysis or loss of muscle movement, difficulty in talking or swallowing, memory loss or thinking difficulties, emotional problems, pain, numbness, or other strange sensation may occur in a part of the affected body by stroke. For example, if a stroke causes you loose feeling in your left arm, you may develop an uncomfortable tingling. What are the prevention? Knowing your stroke risk factor, following your doctor recommendation, and adopting a healthy lifestyle are the best step you can take to prevent a stroke. If you had a stroke or a transient ischemic attack, these measures might help to prevent another stroke. The follow-up care you receive in the hospital and afterward also may play as well. Controlling high blood pressure, lowering the amount of cholesterol and saturated fat in your diet. Stop using tobacco. controlling diabetes, maintaining healthy weight, eat diet rich in fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, drinking alcohol in moderation, treating obstructive sleep apnea, avoiding illegal drugs. What are the medications which should be avoided? Antiplatelet drugs. Antiplatelet drugs are used to make the blood thinner, and their example include aspirin, clopidogrel, dipyridamole. Prevent anticoagulant drugs, which include heparin, warfarin, enoxaparin.